310. You already know.
Oh no, look who just stepped through the door. The whole 310, and you know we bout to blow, taking over the game. Hear 'em screaming my name. Ain't no stopping us, ain't no stopping us, ain't no stopping us, ain't no stopping us.
Okay, now we in the building. Check the front door. Unless you got a million, just know we want more. Everybody feeling him, he didn't conform. You better get to listening in case you're unsure. Let me go back to my roots. I still rap like a passionate dude. I just say what I actually do, and what I do got factual proof. Flow hard, they soft, y'all be flat. A-sharp, spaceship, take off and you get taxed. Made off, show you how I got this buzz. No contest, I'm popular. I know dudes that had no problem pulling that tool, they pop you up, but not me. I got that feel in my rhymes, and I wanna send chills down your spine. It's my time.
Oh no, look who just stepped through the door. The whole 310, and you know we bout to blow, taking over the game. Hear 'em screaming my name. Ain't no stopping us, ain't no stopping us, ain't no stopping us, ain't no stopping us.
Your girl says I'm a tool, cause I get a lot of throw. I screw her, I nut, then